Data privacy and ethical considerations, Australia Privacy Act and ACS Code of Professional Conduct and Ethics. In today's digital age, data privacy and ethical considerations are paramount, especially for professionals working with sensitive information. In Australia, the Australia Privacy Act and the ACS Code of Professional Conduct and Ethics provide a robust framework for ensuring that data is handled responsibly and ethically. Understanding the Australia Privacy Act. The Australia Privacy Act 1988 is a cornerstone of data protection law in Australia. It governs how personal information is collected, used, and disclosed. The Act applies to various organizations, including government agencies, private sector businesses, and not-for-profit organizations. Here are the key principles outlined in the Act. 1. Collection of personal information. Organizations must collect personal information only when necessary for their functions or activities. They must also ensure that the collection is done lawfully and fairly. 2. Use and disclosure of personal information. Personal data should only be used for the purpose for which it was collected unless the individual has consented to another use or disclosure. 3. Data quality. Organizations are required to take reasonable steps to ensure that the personal information they collect is accurate, up-to-date, and complete. 4. Data security. The Act mandates that organizations must protect personal information from misuse, interference, and loss, as well as unauthorized access, modification, or disclosure. 5. Access and correction. Individuals have the right to access their personal information held by organizations and request corrections if the information is inaccurate or incomplete. Ethical considerations in the ACS Code of Professional Conduct and Ethics. The ACS Code of Professional Conduct and Ethics complements the Australia Privacy Act by providing ethical guidelines for IT professionals. It is designed to uphold integrity and professionalism in the field. Here are the key ethical considerations. 1. Honesty and integrity. IT professionals must act honestly and with integrity in all their dealings, ensuring that their actions do not mislead clients or the public. 2. Respect for privacy. Professionals must respect the privacy of individuals and protect their personal information, aligning with the principles of the Australia Privacy Act. 3. Professional competence. Maintaining professional knowledge and skills is essential. Professionals must ensure they are competent to handle personal data responsibly and ethically. 4. Accountability. IT professionals are accountable for their actions and decisions regarding data management. They must take responsibility for ensuring compliance with legal and ethical standards. 5. Social responsibility. The ACS Code emphasizes the importance of contributing positively to society and considering the broader implications of technology on individuals and communities. Relationship between Privacy Act and ACS Code. To better understand the relationship between the Australia Privacy Act and the ACS Code of Professional Conduct and Ethics, consider the following diagram. Relationship between Privacy Act and ACS Code. In conclusion, the intersection of data privacy and ethical considerations is vital for professionals in the field of business analytics. The Australia Privacy Act and the ACS Code of Professional Conduct and Ethics provide essential guidelines for managing personal information responsibly. By integrating these principles into their practices, learners can ensure they contribute positively to their organizations and society while maintaining compliance with legal standards.